Adriana, you've got patience. God, she does this all the time.
Can't you see him on the phone?
You've got customers. Can you please give them the forms?
All right, how many patients?
One.
Okay, fill this out.
Thank you.
Go give it to him.
To who?
To him.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, I see. Here you go.
So blurred vision, redness, dryness,
Yeah,
all the above?
yeah, and they water a lot.
They water a lot?
Yeah.
And anything else? Does it get red? Do you use eye drops?
No.
Have you had any other pain or anything
No.
you'd like to address? Okay. So you ready for your exam?
Yeah.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is check the strength of your eyes using this machine. And is that comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put in your prescription. I'm gonna put
Right.
right, okay, now,
Right.
still right, last one.
Left.
Okay, I'm gonna go back one. Can you see the letters?
Yes.
What do you see?
TZVECD.
Good job.
Don't touch the air conditioning.
What do you mean don't touch the air conditioning? It's hot in here.
It is so cold in here, Marcus.
Cold. It
You
feels like a
always
sauna.
say this.
Adriana, are you kidding me? We've got patients in here.
They are
I'm sweating.
fine.
Really?
You see them?
They look like they're sweating in here.
God,
Look,
Marcus,
if
I'm
you're
so
cold,
sick
you
of
need to start
this.
bringing a jacket like everybody else.
I'm so sick of you, Marcus.
Okay, you know what? I'm turning this down.
Time for you to
This
go.
is an office. This isn't your living room.
Whatever.
Hey, when those customers leave, I'm changing that AC back. I mean, are you cold? Nobody here is cold except her. If she's cold, she needs to bring a jacket. It feels like a sauna in here. She's unbelievable. Every single day like this.
All right, well, you did great. As far as your exam, it looks like everything is coming out very healthy.
Good.
Only problem is, looks like you'll be needing some glasses. So I want you to take some time and just look around the optical, see
Sure.
if you like something.
Okay.
I'm sure you find something you like.
Yeah.
So let me get your dad to come over so he can look at it with you.
Okay.
Yes, doctor, how did it go?
She did great. She had a wonderful exam.
Really?
Yes,
She was
she-
complaining a lot.
A lot about her vision, I'm sure. Yeah, she couldn't see the distance,
Really?
and so it looks like she'll be needing some glasses for that.
I thought she was kidding. I thought she wanted to have some glasses.
Oh, she thought she was faking it.
No.
Yeah, I thought she
No,
was faking it.
No, she did good. We tested her different ways, so we
Okay.
figured out exactly the prescription she needs. And so it looks like she'll be needing some glasses. I want you guys to take some time to look at something for her before you leave.
Yeah. Do you think there are some that you may
Yeah.
like?
Yeah. I was looking around earlier. I
Yeah.
like some.
So you like some of them?
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll find something. You'll be happy to know that we have some of the biggest, probably the biggest discount going on in the city. And so
In the city?
maybe even in the country. But
Are you
it's-
serious?
we have huge, very big discounts. And so if you guys take a look around, find something that she likes.
Yeah, you're advertising 2 for $99 and 3 for $99.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Well, we're trying to sell as much as we can, as quickly as we can, and our owner actually is trying to sell everything, and so he'll be selling the practice along with it. So we gotta get rid of all the inventory before he sells the practice.
Selling the practice? He wants
Yeah.
to close this office?
He's closing. Well, he's moving to something else. He wants to do something entirely different, and so he's trying to liquidate everything and just kind of sell
Are
everything.
you
before we-
serious?
Very serious. If you guys find something, like I said, you can get as many glasses she likes, as many as she needs. And she definitely has a prescription ready. So
Now, hold on.
yes.
Is there any way I can talk to this owner?
Yeah. He may actually be in the back right now. Do you want me to?
Oh, please.
To get him
please.
for you?
Yeah,
Oh.
oh, yeah. If he has time, please, let me talk.
Sure. Let me get him right now. You guys look around. And I'll be right back.
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
It's- All right, so this is the gentleman that wanted to meet you.
Hello, sir. How are you?
He's interested in buying the property.
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thank you for asking. I heard that you're selling this office.
You're right. We are selling the property, but I don't mean to disappoint you. I really don't care, but I have made a commitment already for 2 people that wanted to buy it.
In case if they decline or something, you have my numbers and give me a buzz.
Yeah, I heard you. I heard you. Goodbye.
Did you see them fighting?
Who?
They were like Tom and Jerry, the 2 people in the front.
They were
They
fighting?
were yelling at each other over
Hey.
some AC. You turned it on, you turned it off. It was wild.
It's all right.
I didn't hear him. I
It was
wish I saw.
crazy. Oh.
Oh, hey, boss.
Hey, Paul. What's up?
I was going to come see you in your office.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
For what?
Well, I wanted to talk to you about that gentleman, Mr. LeHay.
About that?
He's thinking about buying the business, and so I just thought, what did you think about him talking?
Paul, I always respected your opinion.
Yeah.
Do you think he can buy it?
Well, I mean,
He's got the power to buy it? He's got the money?
well, he was really considering. Did you really have an offer? You mentioned you had an offer, so I
No,
thought maybe.
not really. It was just marketing strategy.
So you don't have an offer. Why not give him a chance then?
As far as I'm concerned, I don't think so. He's able to do that.
Why not? Why
I don't think he has the money.
You don't think he has the money?
No.
Well, boss, I think you're judging the book by its cover. No?
Paul, I respect you. You have been with me for so many years.
Of course.
I am not interested for your lecture on morality.
Well, boss,
I don't need that.
I hear you, boss.
The reason I'm in business is because I know how to generate money.
Of course, and I respect that.
And when I'm selling, I know, I hope you do. And when I'm trying to sell this business, I'm not playing games.
I understand.
Exactly. But I know who has the ability to buy. I know who doesn't. My 40 years experience in business transaction
I understand.
was not a reality show.
Of course, and I respect that, boss. But
And you have to understand this is real.
Right, I honestly hear you.
And I don't think by any standards that man has a power to buy this. I don't mean to offend you,
No, I'm not offended, boss.
but think about it.
Think about it.
Morality and reality are 2 different issues. They're 2 different things.
I understand, boss, but I think you should give the man a chance, maybe to just hear what he has to say.
You put me in a dilemma,
Mhm.
but you know what? What do we have to lose?
What do we have to lose?
Let's discuss about it.
Okay.
Thank you, Paul.
All right, boss.